Behind every bottle of medicinal syrup lies a story of precision, purity, and science. It begins with purified water and pharmaceutical-grade sugar, melted and filtered to create a sterile base. Active pharmaceutical ingredients and excipients are added with exacting care, ensuring therapeutic consistency. The mixture is filtered to remove particulates and aerated to eliminate air bubbles, critical for stability and clarity. Sterile filling lines dispense precise volumes into bottles, which are sealed, labeled, and batch-coded. Each batch undergoes rigorous quality control, testing for viscosity, pH, microbial safety, and active content. From formulation to packaging, syrup manufacturing is a blend of science and safety, crafted to heal,